Hi class, for this video I'm going to go over chapter 17.1 front face and top views of 3D shapes. So right here I have 3 examples, but I'm only going to go over the first one. Going over it on this website, toytheater.com. So we will start with the front view. So now we have the front view. Let's go back. Let's check out the side view. So it looks like we already have a side view, and we already have the top view as well. So this one was easy, but for like the other ones where this is the top view and this is the front view, and you're like, how can you have a top like this and the front only be like this? These are the shapes formed. This is where I got the shapes from. Thank you.